Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can make a resume. By watching this video, you can make your own resume. So let's get started. To create a resume, we are using Google Docs. Its link is given in the description. यह है Google Docs जिसमें हम resume बनाएंगे. Click on Go to Docs. Here you can choose template for your resume. I am choosing this. अब इस टेम्पलेट के कंटेंट को एडिट करने के लिए क्लिक करेंगे रिक्वायर्ड कंटेंट पे एंड एडिट इट एज पर योर चॉइस. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन, जस्ट सेलेक्ट हियर एंड ऐड योर नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन. Now change the address. Just select here and add your address. If you want to add your skills, select here and add your skills. In the same way, you can edit all the content of this resume. Once you're done, you can download the resume easily. To do that, just go to File and then go to Download it and choose the which file format you want. I am choosing .pdf. You can see that resume is downloaded as a PDF. Open it. You can see this is a resume that we just made. So that's it guys. This is how you can make a resume. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. I see you guys in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.